Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have two things here from Sephora, and one of them I did online and the other one I bought in the store. And I will tell you how I ended up getting a box and a bag. So what happened is that I wanted to get the Fenty Body Lava, which launched last spring, and I was unable to get them because every time I tried to go purchase them online, they were always sold out. So then eventually it got sold out, it never came back, and I did sign up to have them email me once they were back in stock. They never emailed me, so I saw there was two that I wanted last year, and then this year I noticed that there was one new one that they came out with. I don't know if that shade was last year or it was launched this year, but I wasn't thinking that I wanted that one that much. I wanted the other two mostly. I've been looking all over for them, and on eBay they're selling them for like a ridiculous price. So I said, well, I don't think I'm gonna be buying this because you never know with eBay if you're gonna be getting genuine stuff or not. But anyways, I noticed the gold one was out, and then underneath it said two more colors. I don't know what prompted me to go in and check, because usually when I see that I just ignore it because I know the other two shades I wanted have been sold out for the longest time. So I don't know what made me decide to go in and check. And then lo and behold, all the shades were available. So I was like really mad because Sephora never sent me an email saying that these things were back in stock or anything like that. So anyways, I wasn't able to buy them right away, but I've been watching them. And then when I was able to go back to buy them, this is all online because we don't have a Sephora store where I live. So I went to buy the two shades that I wanted, and one of them was sold out again. So I ended up buying the one I wanted, one of the ones that I wanted, and the gold one, which I didn't think I was gonna like, but I bought it anyways. And then I checked the Sephora site for the US, and they had the other one available that I didn't get. So I was gonna order it from them, and I came this close to ordering it. Like, it was in my cart waiting for me to check out. And I went for my walk and I was thinking, should I buy this from the US side? Because I know the currency is gonna be kind of different when you pay on your credit card and stuff like that, you know. So I didn't really want to do it that way. I would have preferred to pay in Canadian dollars, but obviously if you're buying from them, you have to pay in US. So I was thinking, and then when I got home, my fiance phones me and says that while he was at work, that when he comes home, we're going to be going to Grande Prairie because the computer that he bought, he's returning it. So we're going to go to Grande Prairie. The computer just didn't work for him. Maybe in a previous video I did mention that we went to Edmonton and he bought the laptop, so he's gonna return it but in Grande Prairie instead. So when I heard that, I got excited because I know that they have a small mall in Grande Prairie, and they recently opened a Sephora store in fall of last year. So I was really happy because I said, oh my God, it's a good thing I didn't order this because now I can go in the store and buy it and pay in Canadian dollars. Like, you know, how crazy is this? So I phoned the store and the lady says, oh, we have all the shades available. So I was so happy, and I was just anxious all the time until we got there because I was scared that they would get sold out because they're sold out online. So, you know, I just thought being sold out, people will probably want to go and grab it there. But I was able to get it. That is why I have the bag. So it's just one in here. But I mean, you know, look how funny life is, you know. I was this close to buying it online, and then my fiance said that we were gonna go to Grande Prairie. So I was so happy about that I didn't actually go and buy it from Sephora online. So I'm happy. So I will start with the one in the box first. And this was all done before their VIB promotion that they had recently, because I wanted to get these because I know they're gonna get sold out really fast like last time. So I didn't want to wait. I mean, I could have gotten 15% off, but who knows what if it would have been available still, and then I would have been upset again like I was the last time. So sometimes it just pays to, you know, listen to what your mind is telling you, sort of, because you just never know. But that is my crazy story of how I ended up getting them. So I'm happy now. There's some other new ones they came out with this year. Of course, they're sold out too, so maybe they might bring it next year like they did with this one, but I'm hoping, because I'd like to get those. I love my highlighters, I love my body oils, and anything sparkly I love. So this is, I like to keep these because then I can wrap like ornaments if I'm gonna put them away and stuff like that. Or you can even wrap a present in there and dress it up with nice ribbons and stuff like that. So I've got my slip, which they usually send me in the box. And so this is what it looks like. Is this the top or the bottom? I don't know how good you'll be able to see this, but it's 90 mils and I've been wanting these. So this one is Trophy Wife, and I think this is the gold one. Yes, I think this is the gold one. So guys, look at this. This is the Rihanna Fenty Beauty Body Lava. I've been wanting since last year and I'm finally able to grab it. So this is the gold one. When I was paying in the store for the other one, the ladies were telling me that they really like them and it smells really good. So I actually have allergies and my nose is stuffy. Sometimes it's runny. So I don't know if I'll be able to smell this, you know. Oh, maybe I'll just open it from here and... Oh, it smells like vanilla. I love vanilla scented stuff. So it comes in a pump, and that's the gold one. Man, these are beautiful, and they're a good amount. Like, I've been watching other YouTube videos, and they're saying that it's really a nice size, and I think I paid about what, $62, something like that. But I'll be able to link what the descriptions and stuff like that of what I got. So that's the first one. I'm gonna put it back in the box because the packaging is beautiful and it's glass, so you have to be so careful with that. So that one was Trophy Wife, and then I've got this one is called Who Needs Clothes. So this one here is a lighter color, which is so cute, guys. This is what it looks like. Smells really nice. It's got a perfumey scent, and they had a lot of bad reviews on these last time, but people said it was sticky, some said it, all kinds of bad reviews. But I mean, everybody's different. What might work for you might not work on somebody else. So, you know, if it's as thick as that is, it's going to be sticky. You can't get away from that. So I got a bunch of samples, and this one is the It Bye Bye Under Eye Cream. I love Sephora for this because I can get my samples, plus when I order online I use Ebates as well. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it's small, but it's for you to try, and then if you like it, you can always go up to the full size. So I don't like the smell of it, but who knows, maybe it might work. But they always say that skincare shouldn't be perfumey because then it doesn't work as good, you know. And then I got, they must have had some other promotion. Sometimes you can get like a trial size of something plus your sample. So that's probably because I got a few things in here. So this is the Kate Somerville, and it is the Glow Moisturizer. And it is in 15 mils. So you get a good amount in here. Like, you know, you don't have to use a lot of it. This smells nice. It has like a kind of a lime smell scent. So I've never used their products. There's a lot of brands at Sephora that I've never tried before. So it's nice to try new products, and then you know what you like. And then with the sample sizes like these, if you do like the product, you can always buy the full size. So, and then I got this Chloe. This might be a little perfume of some sort. It is. Oh, it is so cute. It's in a little bottle. I think I have one more of these, but it's a different one. That is so cute. I love it. I love these little things. When they have this, I always try to get these when they have like the little perfumes and stuff, because they're so cute. Oh, that smells really nice. That is so cute. It'll look good on my vanity and my little glass tray. And then the last, oh yeah, the last one I've got is this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquified Matte Longwear Lipstick. It's in Queen Bee. I don't know how good you're gonna see this, but I don't know about this shade, but it was free, so I said, well, why not? If it's free, just take it, right? Actually, the color isn't that bad. This is a nice color. I don't think I've ever had a color like this, but you know, it might look good on me. Let's see. Don't like the smell of it. It smells kind of metallic, sort of, but I'm wearing a Too Faced lipstick right now, and I really like it. The smell is just amazing. So that was what I got online, and now I'm going to show you the one that I picked up in the store. So the one I picked up in the store, which was one of the ones I wanted in the beginning, this one is called Brown Sugar. I hope you can see that. And they all have the same packaging, so that's pretty nice. And then I've got my receipt, and yeah, let me just see. So they were $69 each, which I think is not a bad price. It's a little bit expensive, but I mean, for the amount that you're getting, I think it's worth it. And plus the packaging is classy looking. I always like glass packaging because they look so elegant and expensive. So let's see this one. This one is like a bronze color. So this is what this looks like. Really cute. So really nice. Oh, I'm so glad I got these. So see, it's a glass. Really nice. I love this. I can't wait to wear these things this summer. Actually, I can even start wearing them right now because it's warm. The only thing is we have so much bugs out here, and they get stuck to me. When I wear my lip gloss and stuff, they fly on my mouth and they get stuck on my lip. It's so annoying because we're just right up at the water. So we tend to have more mosquitoes around here, and I'm putting together a mixture to get rid of them. Hopefully it does work, but who knows. So guys, that was my Sephora, what should I say, unboxing slash haul. And not a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to get this open so that I can start using them. I also want to put some pictures up on Instagram with them because I'm so happy I was able to get them this time. But yeah, so I'm loving my little samples as well. When you shop in the store, you don't get any samples, which is why I like to shop online, because I get a lot of promotions also. My Ebates, like I mentioned, sometimes it's 8%. Right now it's 2% because they just had that VIB promotion on, and they emailed me about 2 days ago, and they had sent me a 15% off because they noticed that I didn't buy anything for the VIB event, and that's because everything I wanted was sold out. So I mean, I why should I even bother if all the stuff I want is gone? There is a couple things I'd like to get from them. I might do that at the end of the month, but we'll see how it goes. So that was my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and you can leave me some comments down below if you've tried any of this stuff, or if you like anything you've seen in the video. Just leave me some comments down below and let's get chatting. Okay guys, well, it was nice talking to you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye guys.